At Monfil.ca, do we ship the orders on the same day? Of course we do. This is where it happens right here. This is the office for Tommie, and he has a box right there waiting to go. He has a beautiful view on Granby. Tommie, say hello.
Hello.
There you go. So this is where it's happening. This is the main office. So when you're sending an order before noon, it's gonna go. Si vous commandez avant midi, ça va partir et c'est ici. Et vous avez une belle vue sur Granby. Et voilà. La vue sur Granby avec Tommie à son poste. Il est prêt à vous servir. All right, so we're gonna go in the back. On va aller en arrière. So these are the Super B thread that you see in the videos. Toutes les fils Super B ici, prêtes à expédier. This is the shipping station. Tommie is ready to ship some orders. So, every order that's received will be shipped on the same day. Toutes les commandes reçues partent la journée même. Now, this is the Aurifil shelf, and it doesn't look like much, but there's a lot here. All right, there's 6 cones in every box, and there's about 300 colors. So if you calculate real quick, that's 2,000 cones, 2,000 bobines. Et Tom, on prend 7 bobines pour avoir le transport gratuit. 9 bobines. 9 bobines pour avoir le transport gratuit. Donc, ça fait partie de notre travail. Tom, ça fait un plaisir de nous servir. Avec un sourire. Et voilà, une Aurifil prête à partir. We have lots of goods in the basement, so there's a lot more, but we're not going to go in the basement. It's boxes, so we're an online store. On est un magasin en ligne, nous avons des boîtes au sous-sol, mais ce qui nous distingue, c'est notre service rapide et la journée même. So this order is leaving today for sure. Is it going to go Canada Post or Pure later? That's to be determined. Depending on your postal code. That's where it happens. So we're going to put the order in the system and with the weight and the postal code, so we're going to figure it out. But usually Canada Post is pretty good because we're shipping in remote places all over Canada, and we're very popular with, you know, people that are in remote places like the northern part of BC. Dans le nord de la Colombie-Britannique et en Alberta, on a beaucoup de clients. Donc, on expédie soit Purolator ou Post Canada. Mais normalement, Post Canada gagne dans les endroits plus éloignés. So, we're going to be shipping Canada Post usually in remote places and Purolator in the city. That's kind of like the trend. And you're asking, what kind of boxes do you have? So, we have brand new boxes with our logo on it, as you can see right here. And we have Super Punch printed on the other side. Oops. I'm throwing everything on the ground. So that's not good. All right, that's an order that's going to be going today. And you see we have our own boxes with Super Punch and Monfil on the other side. But we have many recycled boxes. So we reuse all the boxes we get from the suppliers. Right, Tommie?
Right.
There you go. Tommie is ready to go with this one.
Yes.
And if you see, right there is our sample table. So we're sending a few samples with the orders. A lot of times that's what we do. You can ask for samples on the order at the end of your cart. You can ask Tommie, you can write, send me a couple samples of stabilizers. We'll send you the ones that are on the table. We're not going to open a brand new pack, but we'll send you whatever we have. So what does Tommie do at the same time? He also is the cutter-in-chief. So if you see over there, I'm going to show you the HTC product, and Tommie's going to demonstrate what he does, because we sell the HTC. We cut on this table by the yard. All right, this is a thermal adhesive. Okay, we sell it by the yard. On vend le thermal à la verge. C'est du thermal adhésif pour faire des écussons. This is to make crest. To really stick it on caps or whatever you have for crest. And these are all HTC products sold by the yard or by the bolt. And we have many more in the basement. And Tommie's going to show you how to cut HTC. There you go. There you go. There we go, Tommie. Great. So he's going to go and do this. Right on the table. Okay. So we have markers. So if you buy 1 yard, 2 yards, 3 yards, we cut it and we bag it for you. So this is a hidden secret. It's a hidden secret on Monfil.ca. The HTC line is, it's a line that's been around for 50 years in the US. It's very popular. There you go. Thanks, Tommie. And c'est une ligne très populaire. Et c'est un secret gardé. Car aux États-Unis, les couturières américaines raffolent de ce produit. Et il y a différents produits fusibles, des interfaces interlignes pour faire des poches, faire des doublures, de la couture, des patrons. There's everything for HTC. You have to discover the HTC line. Tommie is ready to cut anytime. Red dot tracer is a very popular item. Pattern ease, quilt fuse. Those are the 3 big top sellers. So look at all these bolts.
Sell by the bolt as well.
There you go. By the bolt and by the yard. So you'll see this. Take a look at the HTC. It's a full menu on the new website. So you have to check it out. These are the products. Ready to go, cut by Tommie himself. See, these are all ready to go. These are all orders that we got. They're all packed. Everything was cut. Ce sont tous des commandes qui sont prêtes à partir, qui ont été coupées de HTC à la verge. Il y a des paquets de 5 verges et des paquets d'une verge. Il y a un peu de tout ici. It's ready to go.
Ship it with Tommie.
Ship it with Tommie.
Order before noon and we'll get it moving.
Across Canada, we're always improving.
Ship it with